You never noticed? The things you do behind my back don't affect me anymore.
Serena called me twice.
I know. I told her that you're not driving her home.
Good. What'd she say to that?
Did you drive her here?
No.
Oh, good. Don't drive her home.
Why not, Carday?
I got the iPhone update from your iPhone today.
This kid is fucking retarded.
Is that 3G or 3GS?
Go big or go home.
I can't see him anymore and I'm not moving, so screw it.
He's coming back.
Want to do me a favor and help me?
What are you doing?
Watch this shit.
Mitch is gonna flip him. Mitch is gonna flip him. I got it.
Oh my God.
I just died.
Go, Mitch, go! But he's got his phone on him too.
Fuck you, Mitch. Oh, you got your phone on you?
Good.
Go, Mitch, go! Mitch, go, you're going clear. Go!
Go, Mitch, go!
Don't stop,
Go, Mitch, go!
Come on, Mitch!
You can't catch up. Come on, Mitch. I didn't do 30 laps at lifeguard practice tryouts for this. Yeah, this is funny.
Come on, wanna hop on? Flip it. I won't.
He's gonna flip it. He's gonna flip it. He's gonna flip it.
Flip it then. I won't flip it. You ain't getting it back.
Dumbass.
Let him on, dude.
Watch this. Watch this.
Mitch, get on it. Look at this, Mark. He's gonna flip over.
Why isn't it flipping? Damn it,
He's gonna go.
Yo, you don't have another paddle?
No.
You guys look gay.
They're not getting that thing back up.
You need a paddle.
You guys are not getting that thing back up.
You need a paddle. You can't go anywhere without a paddle. Oh, hey, you're gonna sink the boat.
Look at these fucking kids.
Oh my God, Nick. Nick, where are you going?
Dude, I
Are
still
you
got-
recording this?
I got it all.
So bad.
Look at it.
Give me Mitch's one quick.
Look at the dog. Get up, go and help him.
Dude.
I'm trying to paddle a boat back and forth, and you keep trying to shoot. Alright, well, I'm going to a boat.
This is fucking great, yo.
I'm on them from the ground.
Oh my God.
Charlie. Where's the paddle? Oh. This kid is fucking shot.
Mitch, you're fucked up, man.
Oh my God.
Don't fall over, messing up. Look at him. Yo, go flip it out. Go flip it out. I'm really dry and I got my phone in my hand.
Dude, look at this fucking kid.
No way, I'm not paddling that shit back there. Look at him. It's like a little bathtub.
You got the paddle the wrong way, buddy. Billy. Is that Danny?
Probably.
Look at this kid.
I keep this water right here.
Well,
15, 10 feet?
Like 10 feet.
He was like,
No, I don't think it's Danny.
There's 3 of them.
They're a little
No.
wide. That kid's on
Black
2 wheels.
kid. Black kid.
Look at this kid, he's on 2 wheels going down the street. Look at this
let's see
dude.
if I can hit bottom.
Dude, they went past before. One of them had to be Shaquille.
Deeper than I thought.
Legit?
Yeah, because the one on the red quad was black.
Shaquille doesn't have a butt squash.
So he was on one last time.
That was Derek.
Or Derek. Then it might have been Derek. Because I know a black kid was on the red quad. This kid's trying to hit bottom.
Red Spear's falling.
Pick it up.
For Serena, he's calling for Serena.
Look at this kid. Carday, shut up.
Alright, you can drive Serena home. Because he's going to my house for dinner and we're heading there in a little bit.
You have to flip it, Mitch.
What?
You have to flip it, huh?
Mitch, do you want to... Mitch, can you drive Serena home?
No.
No.
Hanging out.
So how'd you get it right here? How'd you get it right here?
I don't know. Her and Teresa were here.
Uh-huh.
Her and Teresa were here.
When you guys got here.
Yeah.
So how'd she get a ride? And whatever ride she got there, she can get a ride back.
Yeah.
Why are you saying all rowdy?
That's what my dad says to hitchhikers on the road. He's like, you got here from walking, you can definitely walk where you're going to be going.
Yeah.
Keep on walking. Well, my parents should do is bring all the food up here and cook on the grill up here so we can have as many people on the
So do it. Have him come up here.
instead of at that shitty house.
So have him come up here. I was going to stop the video, but he got back in.
How'd he empty it?
He flipped it over and then flipped it slowly over. Dude, he's fucking Mitch Mako. Come on.
Ready?
Is what real?
That was what he was saying, right? Then he flipped it. And then there's Friday. Mitch, I took lots of nice pictures for you.
Yo, it's real.
What?